that? See beautiful. Wow, this is so beautiful. Looking as if it's life.
Wow, this is so beautiful.
They have beautiful televisions here. Beautiful televisions here. Come and do your shopping at Kezu Denki. Beautiful stuffs are here.
Let's go to Papa.
Ooh la la. Eh? Oh, it's sunny. And this side is for sunny. All of them here, sunny, 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 sunny. This side is their sunny side. Sun is so expensive at the end of the day. Hello guys, we are in Kezu Denki. Good evening and welcome to my channel. My name is Koko and this night we are at Kezu Denki, at Oda, and we are still enjoying our summer holiday at the end of the day. Today is what? Today is Friday. I'm supposed to be at work today but I didn't go sha, and tomorrow too I will not go, but I'll just start up by Monday. That's when everybody will resume. And let me carry you guys along at Kezu Denki. I want to go for a massage. There's where you can just sit and you have a good and sweet massage. I'll do that. And I want to do one or two stuff on my phone secondly, and then we will look around and behold the beautiful stuff that they have here. Okay, and I wish to carry you guys along, so enjoy the rest of the video with me. Thank you so much. My kids are playing, shouting. This boy can shout. Enjoy the rest of the vlog. Let's go for massage. Because the phone, we have collected our number, so they will call us later. So if they call us, we'll now go there. But meanwhile, we'll just use the massaging stuff and the passing time small. Then we will now be feeding our eyes with beautiful stuff that they have here at the end of the day. See Hannah in the TV. Did you see that? See beautiful. Wow, this is so beautiful. Looking as if it's life.
Wow, this is so beautiful.
They have beautiful televisions here. Beautiful televisions here. Come and do your shopping at Kezu Denki. Beautiful stuffs are here.
Let's go to Papa.
Ooh la la. Eh? Oh, it's sunny. And this side is for sunny. All of them here, sunny, 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 sunny. This side is their sunny side. Sun is so expensive at the end of the day. Aba.
No, on the other side.
Yamada home. The Japan, Hana, Yamada.
Here, Uber.
Okay, here, la.
Only.
Otetekola.
Okay.
Hi.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be.
Baba said we are finishing,
meant to because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone, and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody's right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else will succeed, and then invest all of my time into that and proceed. I need whatever the hell could make me happy, and I don't think you have a clue what could that be. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I think this life could be special if I get rid of the devils. They think that I am a rebel, I think they want me to settle. There's nobody on my level, they think that work is too stressful. I think that work is essential, the grind is all in your mental. I don't think you understand what I'll go through just to be in control of my life soon. All the negativity and I'm in, and I don't really need a mask with all I've been through. I've been making changes for the ages.
Yeah. Hurry, Alan. One is not for rice again. Let me see that one. How big it is. Our own is even bigger. Our own is bigger now. See the small plate. Then why is it this big? Doko.
Black, yeah? Something like this.
Oh, it's bigger than this one.
Give me your hand.
Tiger. This is the one that we are using.
I know somebody now I got back later. I saw me make up. And there is ISO 700.
No, 700.
I have my everything buying okay now. I just attack every morning. I got stuck. I asked for 700.
Jesus. Match them, man. Jesus.
Everything like you pastel green, my fridge. They say again there. Just like this. And I wash it as well, just once.
So you wash it twice?
No, once. Okay. So that's why I guess I'm sharing it. Branca na kizuri. Ndika jinki yone ano. Ndika jinki yone mungo wangala na be very very fine. Nge me akuru baby this time. Nge ti carrot. So that the cook nge.
Wow.
Oh carrot, nge ti carrot and this thing. Ke hona go.
One with it. Bingo. So yeah, your cake. And the shears. No. Beats, ne?
This one. Remember the last? Let's my one again in my shop. Because I didn't meet you before them. Again in my shop. Yeah, I have some.
Watermelon. This side now warm also. I slice and cut. You sure? So extra one at that high level. Okay, Ringo, how many people? These are ingredients. Terewa. This is beef stuff. All my people. Have you? Okay, enough water. One is carrots. Carrot and apple or carrots shirike.
The carrots. Okay, carrot is soft. Carrot is very, very carrot is just like one hen. What's the mark of it? Bazanka, let me see it here. Lemon.
Imagine, Johnson just broke up with me because he lied to him that I am HIV positive. The same thing this year. We can't continue like this. You need to see the message he sent to me.
Tegemea ọgwụ.
O buru ibu. Ọ gaghị abacha afọ ya. Ọ gbabelata ya ebe. Ba ka kada zo. Ya kan gaje mi sai.
Kada kiriya.
Ya buzuni kwa kwa. Ina nan mere ya hebri ma tin men bana ba. Ai ada itu dulu ma kan dia harus beli. Masih ada. Coba sudah sih.
Sulam.
Itu ada ni.
Fala. Qual mora? No pé do side. Tem cá. Olha lá.